Today we're going to learn how to log into NoodleTools and set up a new project. Begin by going to the .nt box on the Student tab of the school's homepage. You'll be asked to sign in to your Google account. Log in using your ojrsd.net account. This will take you to the projects page in NoodleTools. Once you're logged into NoodleTools, it's always a good idea to go to the My Account button at the top right and check to make sure that you're logged into the correct account, especially if you're using one of the iPads. If the name you see on the account is not yours, click Sign Out and log the previous user out of both NoodleTools and Google. Then you can log yourself back in. To begin a new project, click the New Project button at the top left. Enter the title for your project. Your title should always begin with your last name. You can leave the citation style set to MLA. When choosing the citation level, think about how many different types of sources you are using. If you are sticking to websites, databases, and books, chances are you can choose Junior. If you are using a variety of types of sources, then you should choose Advanced. Once you've done this, click Submit. This will take you to the project dashboard. If you have a research question or a thesis statement, you can enter these at the top of the screen. The History section will show all of the work you have done for this project. Your teacher can also see all of the work done, along with the timestamps that indicate when you did the work. To share a project with your teacher, go to the Sharing section and click Share with a Project inbox. Type your teacher's last name in the project inbox, then locate the correct inbox for the project. If your first and last name do not appear in the Your Name box, enter them there. If you are sharing your paper with your teacher via Google Docs, click the box that says Share Link to Google Doc, then click Done. If you are working with a partner or partners, you can share note cards and source cards. To do this, one person in the group should create the project, then go to the Student Collaboration section. Click the Add Students button. You'll then be asked to enter the Google username of your first partner. If you want this partner to be able to add and edit information, choose the Full Collaborator option. If you only want the person to be able to see and make comments on information, choose Peer Reviewer. If you need to add more than one partner, click Add More and repeat the process. Once you've added everyone you need, click Done. Now, when your partners log into their NoodleTools account, they will see the shared projects in their projects page. If you want to create a to-do list, you can add items and due dates by clicking the Add To-Do Item button. This can help you stay on track with your due dates. Once your project is set up, you can move on to adding sources. The instructions for adding sources will be covered in a separate screen